Day 9 of trying to make A-Object show in Roblox Studio. Who will remodel? Oh, it's Toolbox, I guess then. Ioni's team might be the first finished. Time-lapse 100 times, speed shock face. We are done with Toolbox. I think this might be one of my best models ever because of the curvature on the edges. If you notice Toolbox having a detailed texture, it's because I made it have a custom texture. Let's do that to drill as well. Okay, stay tuned for tomorrow's video because it will be down today. Finally. Until then, bye-bye.